Well, hello YouTubers. Today we are back and we're making zucchini and squash stuffed in pasta shells with Parmesan chicken tenders as featured on the TV show Living757. Ooh la la. Look at this amazing dish. Let's get started. Here's our mise en place, our ingredients for our delicious pasta dish. This recipe will yield about 3 to 4 servings. We have here 2 of each, zucchini and squash, and we're going to grate those in just a moment. Next, we have half a red bell pepper chopped, 1 small shallot minced, some salt and pepper to taste, and 2 tablespoons of Bertolli's extra virgin olive oil. Now, I love this brand Bertolli's because the flavor of the oil is very, very rich. We have here, guys, 4 tablespoons of ricotta cheese and half a cup of fresh tomato sauce. I will attach the link for the recipe of this amazing sauce below. Now listen, you hadn't had great tomato sauce until you've made it from scratch. So forget the canned stuff, and I can assure you that my recipe is one of the best. Next, we have here 8 ounces of jumbo shells that I will cook off camera. And over here we have some extra sauce for coating our glass dish. And finally, for our garnish, we have some freshly grated Parmesan cheese and some fresh basil that we're going to chiffonade slice a little later.